In this guide, I'll show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at the same time. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video. Now, I'm gonna be doing this on a PC, and it does work a little bit different on a PC compared to other platforms, but I do want to state that as of right now, this does not work on an Xbox, a Nintendo Switch, or a PlayStation. So just keep that in mind, there's gonna be a separate video for that. But this guide is gonna be specifically for PC. Now, if you have Roblox open, go ahead and close that out of temporarily. And actually what you're going to do is first open up a web browser of your choice and search for Process Explorer by Microsoft. Hit this first option right here, and you're going to go ahead and see a little download option. Go ahead and select that, and what's going to do is download the little zip folder for you, which you're going to go ahead and drag onto your desktop to look something like this. Now from here, go ahead and close out the Google Chrome, then right click on this and just hit extract all and extract it to another folder, because we're going to go ahead and need the files in here. Now essentially, once you have it in a folder that looks like this, open up that folder. What you're looking for is a specific file called procexp. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to open up a page that looks like this, which does look a little complicated. Don't worry, it's actually a super easy to understand. But what you're gonna do now is actually go ahead and open up the Roblox, specifically the Roblox player. Don't go ahead and get loaded into game yet. There's no need for that. I'm gonna minimize this temporarily so you can kind of see both screens. But essentially, what you're gonna want to do is just go ahead and see this filter by name section and type in Roblox and hit enter. You're gonna see a little Roblox player beta.exe option up here, and go ahead and select that, and then go ahead to the handles tab here. Now if you're not seeing any of this stuff, down at the bottom, go to the view section and then go lower pane view and filter it to handles, and you'll see it on here. Just scroll down, and what you're looking for this in this option that says session singleton event, it's gonna go end up in the singleton event option. Just right click and then go ahead and select close handle. If you do get the error saying closing handle does require administrative rights, go ahead and back out of the option. And what you're going to want to do is select on a folder again, and then right click on this and run it as administrator. And then repeat the same process, so just search specifically for Roblox, select it, go to handles, and then find that option. On there, singleton event, right click on it, close handle, yes. And now open up the second version of the Roblox player. As you can see, we got two in right now. What you're going to want to do is actually sign out of one of your accounts. Log into your alt account. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in real quick using a quick sign in just because I have it on my phone. And there we go. We got two of them open right now, and I'm going to split this screens real quick so it's easy to see. But from here, you can go ahead and get loaded into the same game on both of these, the same server, the private server on both these. Doesn't necessarily matter. You'll be able to play at the exact time. It's really as simple as that. As you can see, I'm getting loaded in right now. I wonder if I'll get in the same lobby. Oh, I actually did. Same lobby. That's crazy. I guess it's because I have like the same ping, same IP. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.